Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to change the recipient name in Western Union. Now keep in mind that you can do this on the Western Union app or the Western Union website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app on your mobile device or simply go to westernunion.com, and after you log into your account you're gonna have to simply go to your transfer. So simply click on track transfer, and the next step is to simply, so as you can see, you're gonna have to simply go to your recent money transfer activity and then select the transfer you want to edit and then choose show details. Now as you can see, I don't have any transfers right now, so I can't click on that, but you're gonna see this show details button next to your transfer. Now keep in mind that if your money transfer is eligible for a name change, you'll see an edit receiver's name link. So simply tap or click on that and then you'll be able to change the recipient name. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.